Okay, so this is fun because I like lagers, and you came up with the idea to dry hop a lager, which I've always liked doing. But you suggested using a Motueka hop. Motueka.
Tomato.
Yes.
Yeah.
So Motueka. It's a New Zealand style hop.
It's a New Zealand word. I think it's a town. All their hops are towns. Like
Really?
Vic's Secret, Nelson's,
Victoria's Secret is a freaking
They're all named
town
towns.
in New Zealand.
Yeah, I think so.
They just missed Auckland.
Vic, not Victoria. Vic.
They missed Auckland.
Well, that might be the new hop.
Perhaps.
So there's a style in New Zealand called New Zealand pilsner. It's dry hopped with their lovely New Zealand hops. Motueka is very lime zest heavy, so if it was that good than a pilsner. Top before, and it gave like major lime zest kind of tones. So hopefully it came through. I think you know, but I don't.
Yeah, I have quality control this look.
I want to get to it. Yeah, lime, eh?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's subtle. It's not too in your face.
Yeah.
It's not too in your face.
No, it's just nice. Well, I mean, it's supposed to be light. It has to be delicate and just a lager too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh, that is.
It's really good.
That tastes like lime juice. That's pretty good.
Now it's amazing how much flavor you're getting off of those dry hops.
Just the dry hop. And
I mean, this is just nothing but a bare bones pilsner, super
Yeah.
light, but that dry hop you can really smell. Like it's really popping.
it kind of like
It's
crispens
delicious.
it up. Like
Delicious.
there's no overly sweet part of
No,
this.
no.
Yeah.
It's like the best part of a hop in a lager. It really is, because you can really taste the hop, as well as the lime part of it. But you can really taste a nice hoppy, sort of resinous flavor.
It's winter out. There's about 1,000 feet of snow in our snowbanks.
Yeah, but
I would drink this year round. This is I would like to take this to an all-inclusive resort.
Yeah, for sure. So the fun part about this is that we called it. It's just a little dry hop. No, wait. What do we call it? It is.
Professional.
It's just a little dry hop. It's still good. It's still good because we're both huge Simpsons fans. And
Yes.
we talk about it constantly when we're canning or doing anything. So
Open the mash tun, steam hits you in the face.
Yeah, exactly.
This is a little steamy. It's still good.
It's just a little melty. But it was, this sort of hit the mark in terms of what it was supposed to be, what we were going to do with it. And we talked about the artwork for it, and we went with the Simpsons theme, and we were thinking just a little dry hop. It's just a little airborne. It's still good. That pig flying over the sky. And we wanted to have the artwork sort of mimic that, so I did something like that without too much detail, but still having that little nod to the Simpsons. So there's upside down.
Oh, that's awesome. You got the clouds like perfect.
Yeah, the clouds are good.
Those are the Simpsons clouds.
Yeah, Simpsons clouds with a little hop flying through. So yeah, I mean it's fun. It's light. It's easy.
Yeah.
It's exactly what it is. It's highlighting the hop.
This is incredible.
It's really good. It's really
I
good.
wasn't.
I know. I was really excited as soon as I started trying it. I was like, wow, this is really good. This might become like a decently halftime thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. That's a compliment. Are we supposed to have
banter? We should have some beers. We should have some beers right here.
You should have some beers.
Some beers. Beer.
You set this all up.
Beer.
This is
Talking like this.
This is
talking
like 3
that,
seconds
talking this.
after the
It's better
videos.
talking like this
So why don't
than
we make
talking
this
like this. Which is
real?
the way I was talking the last time. I was talking like this.
Oh.
It's kinda making it